CFG stands for configuration. It stores settings for games and apps. It looks like a system file, but it is just plain text. You can edit it to change game settings manually. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's tweak it. I highly recommend this quick preparation step. Keep a universal file viewing program installed. It's a lifesaver for bypassing minor CFG corruption, and I'll detail the best one shortly. We must consider the CFG file a member of the proprietary setting configuration file structure. It is structurally aligned with the configuration settings standard. A CFG file is a configuration file used by various software applications to store settings and preferences. These files contain parameters that define how a program behaves, including user interface options, hardware settings, and other customizable features. CFG files are typically plain text or binary files that can be edited to modify the application's behavior. The design of a .CFG file varies depending on the application it supports. Plain text. CFG files often use a simple key-value pair format, while binary, CFG files may use a more complex structure for storing data. The file is read by the application during startup to load the specified settings and customize the user experience. The CFG file originated with and is formally handled by various applications developed by various. For security reasons, Windows requires a known safe application for this file. Windows shows the entries plainly, but proper adjustments require knowledge of the system or software. Let's use the list of installed programs to identify the best match. Right-click your CFG file, then click Open With. Test various applications if you see it. If it fails, select the next program in sequence. Methodical testing is best. If your CFG file will not open yet, do not panic. Your file is proving to be a real challenge. Let's conduct a series of targeted tests on these common points of system file failure right now. First, use text editor. Open the file using any text editor, Notepad, Sublime text, to view the content, as it is usually a plain text configuration file. Next, check associated program. Determine the associated program, e.g. game, router firmware, or development tool, that uses the CFG file. Finally, check syntax. If the program fails, check the file for basic syntax errors, e.g. missing semicolons, incorrect values. If test results confirm the CFG file is non-standard, moving to the specialized recovery tool is mandatory. This professional approach gives us the best chance to open your file. Forget manual fixes. FileMagick is the universal solution I recommend for the CFG format. Get your copy at filemagick.com. Spread the word about this fix. Please hit the like button and subscribe for my latest videos. Until the next video, goodbye.